This is the Italian restaurant on board the Carnival Panorama. Opens each day for free from 12 o'clock noon to 2:30, where you can get a good list of delicious foods here. And they're fresh making it all back there. It's all really good. And it's not things you can get at other parts of the ship. Let me see if I can get a menu here. I don't want to mess these folks up. Yeah, this is the menu right here. You could pause it and take a look. Very, very good. But they're back there making all this delicious food. And we just had it. It was very good. I had the lasagna. It was like a shredded beef lasagna. And this is just the table where they kind of have it all set up. And the art on the walls is all about the ships, the past, the captains, cool stuff. And the view outside is simply amazing of the sea. In a large city, what would you pay for a view like that? I'll go out and snap a picture of the main menu. You can see that it opens for dinner with paid options, but this is all free. I'll pause it now and you'll come back on with the regular menu. Sorry for the camera reversal here on turning it different directions, but had to get this full menu in. This is for the Italian restaurant. Some of the words are words I don't yet know what they mean, but for someone that's interested, you will enjoy this restaurant, whether you pay or not. It's a good value, and with the view, you pay a lot at any big city for a restaurant with a view of the ocean you get here. Very good. I'll do a sample of the other menu for a different restaurant here in a second. This one is for JJ's Asian Kitchen. It's kind of like the Mongolian wok on board, but this is the paid version. It opens for lunch also every day for free. It has a smaller menu of free options, but also at night has a paid version. Very good assortment of foods. I'll hear tomorrow. You guys get the view of the menu today. And these are both located in almost the same area of the ship, just different doors when you go up the stairs. So you got the Cocina del Capitano and the JJ's Asian Kitchen. All right, later.